So I think this is new. Carbone Alfredo sauce. I just looked it up. First time seeing this. I may try it out and share my experience. Okay, I just cooked some Alfredo. So I'm trying this new Carbone sauce. I'll let you know how it tastes compared to the other sauce. And I'm about to watch Damsel for the first time. It's like number 2 on Netflix right now. So, got my food. And I'm ready. Okay, so I tried it out, the Carbone Alfredo sauce. And I finished watching, Damsel on Netflix. It was a good movie. And the sauce here was pretty good. It honestly tasted similar to Rouse. And I have a jar of Rouse. It tasted similar to Rouse, if I would say any other sauce. But keep in mind, I also had some other seasons where I had broccoli cooked in there, so that could have changed the taste. And I had some seasoning going on with my chicken that sort of mixed up with it. Anyway, it's good though. Brand new brand here, right? It's a new brand I saw in the store, so there you go.